some more slime langs, yeah. Okay, let's, oh, there's a boom slime. Where did we last left off? I don't remember.
I don't know.
Yeah, you weren't there.
Okay, we're.
Okay, we got the jimmies. Look at my little baby boys.
I thought we got another. Okay.
Yep, there's one. So, I forgot how to play this game. I have the water thing now. I have 1,000! Oh yeah, I remember what I wanted. I wanted to buy this place. Can I suck the water from here? I can't. This, look how much it costs. I had like a 500 and I bought something bad. And that happened. Look, it's a pink slime. He wants a distant brighter hand. These guys live in the jungle, these guys live everywhere. So let's go get him that, because I get 500 and that's alright. So let's get him. Well, thank you very much. Ah, I forgot.
Oh, yeah, let us.
Okay, I will. We were just like this. Yeah, 30 water, man.
So yeah, there's chickens.
We don't need the chickens. We need another kind of chicken, man. They're not all the same, you racist. Come on, come on. Yes! So let's continue our journey. Yes, and then lock the jungle habitat when you weren't here. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have this. It takes energy, so yeah. Look what it does. It's beautiful, my man. It's beautiful. Wait for them. Sorry about that, let's continue.
And there goes Dolly here.
Yeah, she. It's a girl, man.
I know. Looking at the car and
That the tar was near you? It's kind of sad. A little bit sad, but it's sad. So, this is the jungle. If you haven't seen it, too bad for you. Q-berries! I did a whole episode on searching for hunter slimes. But the hunter slimes are real rare and you need a key to find them. Yep, yeah, yeah, you go here. It's called the moss blanket. I know it's weird, right? But there's a catch. You can't like go up. Oh, you can. I never did this before. Oh, briar hand. Okay, now we need a now we gotta find the portal. It's here. Ah, it's easy to get there. We already went there. A honey slime. Wrong way. What is this place? Ah, we went here like 5 million times. We need a key to unlock it. Oh, there's a roof for you. Let's just collect a whole bunch of chickens. I can collect you. And you, Brian Hen. And let's shoot the Q-berries out. And you, Brian Hen, you can't escape from me. I am El Candoro, the chicken catcher. Yeah, I catch chicken. You know what I did? I had a chicken coop, remember? It was a bad chicken coop. I literally demolished it. I thought I would get a refund. I lost money. You lose money for paying. Thanks, Slime Ranger. I hope in Slime Ranger 2 you don't get it. What? Ah, it's a toy. I won't. Okay, no. Okay, now I gotta focus the whole episode. That's the mission. Chicken! 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 That's the whole episode. But I don't need. Where's the map? Okay, that'll go be it. Left, right. No. Where now? No, I just go here. I don't have energy yet. Look at this place. It's kind of cool. Look at you. Yes, I will, but now I'm collecting dryer hands. With what? Oh, it's like a toy. So they damn it. I hate barrels, man. They're like exploded. These guys, that's their job. Were they eating me? Well, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Buggy needs to go somewhere. So he needs to go somewhere. That's why. But say bye. But he'll come back later. Great. I'm actually like this is nothing. Wow. Yeah, I think it's here. That phosphorus died. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I lost the yarn. Nah. Shame. This is the first one we did. Coal. In my range, we won't do that. Okay. I think this is gonna be it for the video. Just like find this place. Got the overgrowth, guys. There's a whole bunch of chickens here. This is great for like chickens, I think. Burn. It's gonna be my chickens place, so that's why I'll just shoot these chickens. Can I like teleport now? Nah. So that's it. That's the episode. Hope you enjoy. Toro West. Nah, 100 ports. So, it's gonna be cursed for next time. So, bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.